What's up YouTube? This your boy Playboy and we back with another video. Today's video we are going to be checking up on the tomatoes and checking out how the garden is doing. It's been raining for the last week and a half, so we haven't been able to get out here to make any types of videos or anything, but hopefully everything's gonna come together. We got a new camera that we're using. Hopefully everything looks good. I don't look zoomed in. Alright, so let's head out to the garden and let's check on these tomatoes. Alright y'all, so the other part of the video cut out. So I was telling y'all that right here, this bucket right here is supposed to be for strawberries only. And I planted these coleus from seeds here. Everything seems to be doing good out here. These are the clippings, what are they called? Not the clippings. The runners from the strawberries are out here. So hopefully they gonna do what they need to do. These right here are tomato plants. I don't know what kind they are, but they volunteered to grow because I used some of the soil from the compost. So by doing that, we got 3 volunteers that's here. It was a whole lot of them, but I picked them out. Alright, now this is a beefsteak tomato plant right here. Look how tall it is. And it seems like it's doing pretty good out here. We do got some tomatoes, as you can look right straight through here. But these look like mortgage lifters here. If you peep your head right here, you can see some that's right here. Okay, move over here to the second one. This one right here has pink fang tomatoes. Now look right here, these are blossom rock. And we had all this rain that came for the week and a half, so we couldn't do nothing with these right here. So I'm gonna clip these off right here because I can't do nothing with them. When they look like that, you can't do anything with them. But we got some other ones that's coming in that don't have any blossom rot on it. So we just gonna continue to monitor these and see how they go. Oh, it's so bright. Today is the first. Okay. And as you can see over here, we do got 2 tomatoes here. So we're gonna see y'all. Here's another one. Here's another one. Look what's right there. A bug trying to get my tomato plants. Alright y'all, so for the next ones, we're gonna go ahead and check out the green stalks. Now these are the ones that y'all said I could not plant into the green stalk tomatoes. So now I'm just gonna show y'all how they look. Alright, as you can see right here, this is a tomato. We are right here at the green one, green stalk, the 5 tier. And look at my tomatoes that are growing. I didn't do any trimmings to them, so hopefully everything's gonna be doing good in them. Let them keep blooming. And let's check over here. Same way over here in the raspberry. Here are some beefsteaks right here. Now hopefully y'all's beefsteaks gonna do good and get bigger. But there you go. Y'all said it couldn't be done, but as you can see, we do got tomatoes growing inside of the green stalk. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know it was a short one this time. Make sure you hit that follow button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave me some comments, and make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.